Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Rohit from Artinagara branch. In the previous class, we have discussed about match properties, like same to match the properties. In this class, I will tell about properties like line properties. You can change the line color, line width, and line type. So, in this class, we go to the line properties, and I will take the line like this. I will take a small example like this, and I will change the line color. Go to the file layer. You can see number of colors there. Also, you can choose the line colors like index color, true color, color books like this. Choose any color and press OK. Select the line like this. Choose the color. I will choose the color yellow like this. So this is the change the line color. Next one, line weight settings. You can see by layer, by block, default. It's called line thickness. Line weight means line thickness. Take a line and choose the line thickness. And next one, line type. Go to other and take load, and you can see number of line type and description there, like ACAD, ISO 8W100. Description is ISO long dash short dash. So number of description like line type available, and I will take center. Center 0.5x. OK. Take OK and take a line. So you can see that change the line type. So this is the major properties of line color, line type, and line width. And also you can change the properties like this. Again, take one of match properties like this. Can see. So this is the properties of lines. Thank you for everyone.